Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create Instagram highlights. First, open Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, log in into your credentials to access your account. Then, navigate to your profile. Tap on your profile picture or icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile and access your stories archive. Once on your profile, tap on the edit profile. It's typically located below your bio information. Then select story highlights. Tap on the plus icon next to it, and this will prompt you to create a new highlights. And choose stories to add. You'll be directed to your stories archive, which contains all of your past stories. Scroll through and tap on the stories you want to include in the highlight. You can select multiple stories from different dates if desired. Then, customize your highlights. After selecting your stories, you can customize your highlight. Give it a name that accurately reflects the content of the stories you've chosen. You can also select a cover image for the highlight, which will be displayed as thumbnail on your profile. Now, add your highlights. Once you've customized your View Instagram highlights to your liking, tap on Add or Done to create it. Your selected stories will be added to the highlight, and it will appear on your profile below your bio. After that, view and edit. To view your newly created highlight, navigate to your profile and tap on its circular icon. If you want to edit the highlight later, tap and hold on to the highlight. Then, select Edit Highlight to make changes. And that's all. But why are Instagram highlights important? First, extended lifespan of stories. Second, showcasing your brand. Third, increase engagement. Fourth, highlighting important moments. And fifth, organizing content. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.